Finally, it's done!
Hey, John, what are you doing?
Hey, Jenny. Philip, just made a coat for this flower because it's naked.
Wait, what?
Well, you know, flowers aren't dressed, right?
Yeah, so?
Well, I just know they must worry about how they look to us, all naked and all. Plus, what if their colors go out of season? They need our help.
You do realize those are flowers, right?
Yes.
Flowers don't worry.
Yes!
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Have you ever seen a flower knit?
No. That's why I need to do it for them.
That's dumb.
That's like saying you need to feed birds dinner because they don't farm.
That's right. Thanks for reminding me.
What's with that guy?
Come here, birdies. Come on, birdies. Look, I made you dinner. Come on, birdies. Oh, I know those seeds are boring. Come on. Come on, birdies. You don't know how to farm? What are you supposed to do? Come on, birdies. Birdies.